The key to any successful business is the ability to predict an outcome at the earliest and prepare for it well in advance. The differentiator, however, lies in how early we are able to predict and how accurate the prediction is. One of our clients, a leading CPG company, was facing just such a situation in their pricing and promotion model. Their model would predict sales depending on the promotions planned and would help prepare for the demand variations. But the problem was, the model was barely sufficient in the current setup, and the client was unable to scale it across brand and geographies, and the accuracy varied wildly when tested. On top of that, the model runtimes were very long, nearly 40 hours, and the infrastructure bills were mounting with every run. We built a best-in-class MLOps setup to address the scaling and infrastructure issues, and to enable end-to-end automation and orchestration. This was done in 2 phases. In the first phase, we developed a test suite and automated model deployment and testing to improve the prediction outcomes. In the second phase, we created benchmarking suites to check for model improvements and efficiently handle errors to further improve the performance. We designed the solution geared towards optimization, such as storing intermediate outputs, making efficient iterations, and auto-scaling leveraging Spark. We also implemented horizontal scaling with Databricks. All of this resulted in a drastic reduction of runtime, from 40 hours to just 6. Plus, training the model now just took 2 hours, as opposed to 20 earlier. This resulted in changes being tested and implemented more frequently. We worked with the machine learning team to create a rule-based approach to identify and fix failures of the model. And finally, we scaled the model to multiple geographies in a seamless fashion. The results were immediate. Overall model performance improved by 20%, and faster iteration allowed us to scale the model to other geographies and brands in less than 3 weeks. We brought down the model runtime from 8 days to just 14 hours, with an 87% reduction in cost per run. When it comes to building a fast, highly accurate ML model, no one does it better than Sigmoid. Reach out to us at marketing@sigmoid.com or visit our website to know more.